troubleshooting washer control panel. No light or flashing light. If your LG washer's control panel is not lighting, or if the light is flashing, this is typically caused by a faulty electrical outlet, a tripped circuit breaker, a power outage in the home, or in rare cases a unit that requires a repair. Let's do some troubleshooting with 3 simple steps. Step 1. Check the power connection. Make sure the power cord is plugged in at the back of the unit and at the AC power outlet. Then, ensure the power outlet is working by plugging in any electrical product you know to be working, such as an alarm clock or hairdryer. Note that power outlets are sometimes controlled by light switches on the wall, so be sure to turn the light switch on. If the cord is plugged in and the outlet works, but the issue remains, proceed to Step 2. Step 2. Check the circuit breaker. Turn off the circuit breaker. Wait for 5 seconds, then turn the breaker back on. Then attempt to power on the unit by pressing the power button. If the unit still does not power on, proceed to Step 3. Step 3. Perform a hard reset. Unplug the washer from the power outlet. While the washer is unplugged, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Release the button, then hold down the Start Pause button for 5 seconds. Plug the unit back in and attempt to power it on. If the unit still does not power on, it will require repair service.